Face cam. Muchas gracias.
You're gonna keep it on all the time, then.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, remove them, because this is the wildest ride in the wilderness!
Face cam. Come, sit a bit closer. Yeah, come a bit, slide closer to me, that's it.
Face cam. Live from the back of the train.
Folks, please remain seated. The ride will begin moving in momentarily.
Uh-oh.
What did you say?
We appear to have stopped.
What are they doing?
Face cam. Face cam.
We didn't go that far last time.
Hello!
Yeah, we did, Max. Yeah, we did. Here's stopped again. Yeah, finally stopped again.
We have stopped again.
Again.
What do you reckon, Doug? How's face cam?
That's pretty good.
We're having a cool time.
Is there only one car?
No,
Okay. We just went for a dinosaur. What about this?
Face cam.
We just went for a dinosaur. Yeah, we're up again. Why do we have to stop?
I think it's,
A lot of people on it.
I was going to say there's a lot of people, there's some of the trains doing all at once, so there's probably having to find them.
And this is the end.